Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change Klarna payment date. First, open the Klarna app and sign in using the account that holds your active purchases. Tap on the Purchases tab. Here, you'll see all your existing orders. Select the specific order for which you want to extend the payment date. Tap on Payment Options and you'll see the option to extend your due date. Just follow the prompts and choose from the available date options Klarna provides. Need help? Go to your profile in the app, scroll down and tap Customer Support to contact Klarna directly. Their team will guide you through any specific issues. And that's it. That's how to change Klarna payment date. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.